there, fellow. I'm gonna play the best game. I'm telling you, at the first FPS. Call of Cats was the first FPS. A lot of the lasagna warfare.
Give me the fucking recipe.
No, Call of Cats was not the first FPS, you Yankee dick. John's Bizarre Rock and Roll Musical Adventure was the first FPS. You very bad fat cat, I'm waving the finger at you, little bad kitty.
No, John. Call of Cats came out before creation of the lasagna. John's Bizarre Rock and Roll Musical Adventure is just a rip-off.
That's falsity. You stupid bucks, you need to stop with your nonsensical bullshit. GBRA was the first actual game made by aliens.
Stupid, John. There is no such things as aliens.
Alien Files. We are the aliens.
You fat cat. Why, you know history.
History is made by Victor Reese. John, it is not always right. Because I was there. I used lasagna technology to reach the past. Too bad they had to die. Too bad can't go back in time to fix it.
Stop lying like a sissy pussy. Odie is right there.
His fucking dad. No more dwarfs.
You can't go back in time, you motherfucker. I swear to God you have bad education. That's why you're such a lazy cat, a retarded fat homosexual cat. No more lasagna for you, it obviously gives you brain damage. And I hope you starve on a diet. You make me so fucking angry. Climb on a tree and stay or something. And fucking die, you waste of intelligence.
Lights